All right, guys, got a 2019 Ram 1500, the 5.7 HEMI in it. We true-tooled it. So factory converter there and there. Then we did our true-tool right there. Cut out the factory Y pipe. Ran it with a 2 1/4 all the way out. And then connected it to his pre-existing tailpipes right there. And then he already had some, I think they're carbon black 5-inch tips that he had on it. Cleaned it back up and got it nice looking. That's the old system that was on it. Had some other work done onto it right there, but like I said, we cut it off, true-tooled it all the way out. Straight pipe, true-tool, 113, and I peaked at 113. Nice and loud. Let you guys hear it on the inside.